Good morning, everyone. So, first of all, tell me how many of you are working with laptop. I think this is our third lab. Ibrahim, I know about you. I think you are very active. Sabij is working. Only two people. What about others? This Angam, then Ali Zulfikar, then Ibrahim Asad, then Maya, Isa Abbas, and then Dara Majetia. What about you? Where is your laptop? Where is your system? Yes. Hello. Once again, you are using it, Dara. That's good. Isa Abbas, you there? Isa Abbas. This is the last lab actually. I'll be allowing like this. Otherwise, I will remove you from this lab. There is no need of this. Are you using laptop? You are even not responding whenever I say. Isa Abbas, are you using your laptop or not? Maya, what about you? Are you using? Maya is again not responding. What about Hiba? You just entered. Hiba, are you using your laptop? I want you to work with laptop. Okay. Chian Yidi, are you using your laptop?
No, sir.
Why no?
Actually,
In
I'm going to meet Ibrahim now.
you are going to what?
Meet Ibrahim.
Okay, you are going to meet Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Fine, but try to get laptop and try to do programs individually. Anyway, so anyone can you remind me what we have done in last lab? I think in last lab we have done programmings. I know, but which program we have done? So let me just open the syllabus. Okay, no, not this syllabus. I think we have changed our programming. So just wait. Loops and array. I think we have covered in lectures that loops and array. Array we are doing. Talking about practicals. Just wait while I open the. Okay, so can you hear me? I think this is the list, and you can also see the screen. Which program we have done? I think first two program we have done. Right, first two program we have done. The third program is left, third and fourth. Okay, third and fourth program is still left that we need to do. Right? Okay. So third program I'll be doing myself. Fourth program I'll be doing half, and let's see. Fourth program, if possible, I'll be doing. Yeah, but keep in mind from next lab onwards, you will be doing programs. Keep this thing in mind. Okay, you must do some program by yourself. Okay, meanwhile, I do some programming. You pay attention here carefully. Okay, what it says, even this, let me zoom little bit. Okay, open a new window. Yeah, okay, now I think this one is fine. Okay, now, okay, I think both are related. So let me zoom. Fine. So what is the program? We need to take the third one where my pointer is. You need to read third one. Okay, write a program that defines floating point initialized with dollar value for your income. We need to define my income as a dollar value, and then second floating point variable initialized with the value corresponding to tax rate of 35%. Now, what it wants to say, that I am earning in dollar, and there are some tax rate is applicable, that is 35%. Okay, so calculate and output the amount of tax you must pay in rupees and paisa stored as a separate integer values. Okay, I need to make one program where it counts the tax rate, and whatever tax rate is there, I need to convert into rupees and paisa and store in a different integer values. That is the simple program. That is the simple program. Okay, this let me write down here. Okay, just hold on. Meanwhile, this comes. Fine. I think there are 12 people and very few are working with laptop. So that is my concern. Anyway, so let's start doing that program. What it wants to say, first we need to take my salary. So let's take my salary in dollar. So let me remove all these things first. So my salary is, let's say, $1,300, I cannot say 35,000, 40,000. I mean, those kind of salary in dollar. I mean, it's a CEO salary. Okay, let's take $1,300 as a salary. So for that, let me take float. Well, okay, wow, what is happening? Okay, float I equal to just hold on for a minute. Okay, I think we'll wait 1 or 2 minutes more. Yeah, just like everyone is with me, right? So yeah, actually I think this windows update, with this windows update, PC, this laptop got slowed too much. And you might have heard this news, like new updates slows down your PC. But I think new updates are coming, and yeah, I think problem will get resolved soon. Otherwise, I'll be switching to SSD anyway. So what we were doing, that take one variable float I is equal to some salary in dollar. So 1300, that is the salary. We will not take any. Okay, let's take float some value, 80. This is my salary in dollar. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to print this thing. I'm going to print this thing. Okay. So for that, I'm going to write system.out.println. System.out.println. Income in dollar. Income in dollar. Okay, and let's just print this I semicolon. Okay, so I'm just printing this $1,300. That is my income. Okay, what is the next thing? Let's calculate tax. Float tax is equal to float in bracket. So text, how do I count text? It's a 35%. So I just need to multiply this I variable with 0.35. You see, I multiply by 0.35. Okay, you might have heard in businesses or anywhere, you might have heard like kind of this kind of calculation, or you might have done. Okay, if we multiply with 0.35, that this is the amount, this tax is the amount which will get, the amount will get. So let's just print this amount. It's not the println, and in bracket, let me print text in INR. Text in INR. Text in INR. Okay, it's not in INR. It's still it's in what you say. That is a text we'll get. Okay. Now here plus, and let's print this text. Let's print this text. Okay. So actually this is text in USD, not INR. So this is text and semicolon. And let me change instead of INR, let me put USD. Okay, just hold on 1 minute. Yeah, sorry for the this interruption. So what we are doing, we are just printing this text in a USD. Okay, let's once we print this, let's convert into rupees. Let's convert into rupees. Okay. So how do we convert into rupees? Just multiply. What is the rate of today's rate in USD? I think it's even though it's a 70, we'll keep like as a let's keep 70 rupees. Okay, so let me take one more variable, float tax in rupees, tax underscore in rupee equal to float. I think this is going much worse. Let me close something. Just wait for again 2 minutes. I'm sorry for this. Yeah, everyone. Sorry, actually, I had to stop some of the services. Fine, now it's fine. Everything is working fine. Yeah. So what I was doing that we have taken one float value and then we have printed that float value, converting the tax amount that is in USD that we are getting. Then what we are doing, whatever values are there, that text in USD, that's converted to rupees. Okay. Yeah. So this is the type conversion. This is the type conversion that we are doing here. Okay. So float whatever text value is there, let's multiply the rate. What is the today's rate? So actually, even though I don't remember today's rate, but the tax multiply with 70. Okay, that let's keep it 70 rupees. I mean 70 rupees is equal to $1. That is the rate. So this is on converting to rupees, and let's print this. uh, just print this. So system dot out dot println. If any mistake, again let me know from my side if you spot the mistake. Okay, text in INR. If I write text in INR, it's a string, so it has to should come in a double quotes. Here text underscore in rupee. RPW. Okay. Now this is in program is not yet completed. Program is not yet completed. Okay. Uh, but yeah, any mistake, anything is still left. Okay, the package name is still missing. So first track, this Java program is in which package? It's in Marwadi 2021 package. So let me write down here Let me just copy that packet from here. The first pack is not here. Well, anyway, let's copy this code into somewhere else. It's not allowing me. So second program, first break. Okay, this is the first break. This one, this first break is a new package. Okay, now errors are gone. Let's run this simple output. Let's see what simple output we are getting. Let it run. Let's see this output. Okay, 72.94. Ibrahim, thank you. But anyway, we have taken 70. Let's keep it 70 for simplified purpose. Yeah, just wait while it runs the program. First time it takes time. I think you might have seen. Second, third time it's smooth. What is going on actually? Never happens like this. Yes, Ibrahim. I'm sorry, actually. Are you speaking, Ibrahim? Ibrahim, are you speaking? Actually, I don't know. This ID stuck, I think. Just wait. I will just restart this ID. It's giving me a lot of trouble today. It should not give me any trouble because it was smooth previously. Just like let me just yeah, everyone just wait. I'm sorry for this trouble. I think in this lab we might not be able to perform. I think this one program will be able to perform. I think rest of program will keep next week. Let's see. Let me restart. Let me stop the process of ID and again let me start. Meanwhile, let me keep my presentation off so that yeah, Ibrahim, network problem also, but code done. Very good, Ibrahim. Try to do next program also. I just restarted my ID. So I think this program will be able to do that. Next program, we won't be able to do that in this lab. Anyway, let me just wait. Let me start it and I will show you.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Uh, can you please copy the code and paste in the chat box?
Sure. I think I returned in that ID and ID just now closed. I closed the ID. I restarted. Let's see. Once ID gets open, I will copy that code and put it here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, everyone, I think we need to end this session with this. Anyway, there is still time is still left. So what we'll do is we'll wait till more 5 minutes. If it doesn't open, then we'll end this session. Okay, everyone. Sorry for this today's lab. It doesn't happen, but I think some problem. Okay, everyone. So uh, I think we'll be okay. Okay, now it's again started. Fine. I tried to do something. It responds me, and again it gets stuck. It's again problem. So who is with me right now? Just respond. Just type in chat box. Who is listening me seriously? Okay, Ibrahim, where are you from? Ibrahim Inusa.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah. Wh- Where are you from?
From Nigeria, but now I'm in the campus.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Fine. So this uh, Chianyidi Nweke, where are you from? How do I pronounce your name?
So you're correct.
Chianyidi.
Chianidi, you're correct.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria, but here I'm in the campus now.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, fine. So again, let's wait 2 more minutes. If it doesn't start, we'll end the session. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, everyone. I think quickly, Ibrahim, mute yourself. We'll quickly do this program. Just now it started is responding properly. So what we were doing that this program means as per the definition. You see, let me show you definition fast. Uh, whatever tax, whatever salary I am getting that I put after getting salary, what I need to do, I need to calculate tax. After calculating tax rate, I need to convert into rupees and paisa, Indian rupees and Indian paisa. Okay, that is the program, simple program. Anyway, so what up till here I have done. I think we'll see output later on. First, let me complete the program. I think for output, I will also give this program. You can also check output in your system. You just run it. Fine. So yeah, tax in rupees we have done. Okay. Now what it says. Now this line is important. Whatever tax we are paying, we must count with rupees and paisa and store as a separate integer value. Store it as a separate integer value. We need to do. We need to store it as a separate integer values. Okay. So for that, let me first convert into integer values in rupees. Okay, now integer tax, let's take is equal to uh, now how do I convert into rupees? I mean this float value. So for that I need to parse, I need to typecast in bracket, I need to convert to, so for that tax underscore in rupee. Okay, this is how I convert in integer. Once I convert into integer, let's print those rupees. So how do I print Everyone, I'm really sorry. Can you hear me, everyone? So I think even after, I was keep doing that program and it got disconnected. So let me give first of all program. The entire program is in your chat box. Now everyone write down your number in chat box so that we can end our session. I think today is a bad session. Today's session was bad. Yeah, write down your number in chat box so that we can end our session with class name also. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, enrollment number with class name, write down. I think we'll meet in class. Everyone has written their number? Fine, fine. Let me close this session. Let me stop recording.